Yeah, my people. Welcome back in my peeps.
Yes.
Today, brand new adventure job. I wanna go epic. I wanna is a bummer. Remember my peeps, like, share, and subscribe at Penkus Spearfishing. Today guys,
right, sure.
today we come with a different type of menu. We're gonna match up some lobster.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is so amazing.
Yeah, man.
Some lobster we're gonna match up today. Very amazing lobster.
Yes.
Curry lobster with some nice roast and fried breadfruit. Yeah. Roast and fried. Today, we're gonna fry the fish them. We're gonna just clean out inside of them, drop them pan,
Grill.
get them roasted. So
yeah.
any of my people, stay tuned, cause today I got more than epic.
Get the fire active up, you know what I mean, peep? Yeah, man.
Yeah, my people, the fire take them, I go and blaze. What we're gonna do after, we're gonna get the coal, light up.
Them here. Decent roasters. Yes. Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah, my people, stay tuned for all of that. Epic. YouTube not really allow for me to stay inside of the fish when they clean out. So after I get them clean up and everything, I'm gonna stay tuned for all of that zine. But this is everything. Clean up the works.
You know what I say? Lobster we are getting tough. You know what I do? Slice them, take out, and season them.
So any of my people, I'm going to stay tuned for all of that.
All of that. Yes.
While Rick getting the lobster clean up and all of that, so I'm stay tuned. See my people?
Two of them not even peace. Not even peace. Yeah, make your breadfruit, them burn up so rapid. Get them turned. Yes. Keep the fire burning, same way so.
No joke.
Fire and hide.
No joke about it.
Yeah, man. So this is a style how I do. One turn and breadfruit roast.
Last one to go, my peeps. Then I will get them clean up. I'm gonna see all of that. See my people? Yeah, my people. See the fish down here. After them clean out and everything. Wow. Yeah, man. Let them see them, man. Let them see it, man. Pretty like a war. Let them see them, man. So any of my people, we never scale them. We just go season them proper way. Then we are gonna just put them on the coal, let them go and roast. You see me? So meanwhile, we are look about the lobster and all of that. We can eat some roast fish now the meanwhile. So we live now. Yeah, man. The fruit them look good. Coal ketchup right and properly we are now fully active. So stay tuned to all of that, my people. Active, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you, say next move I done for.
Wow. Damn. So amazing. Look at this, my lovely people. Just look on him flesh here. Oh God. Fresh, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for all of that, my lovely people. See? Yeah, man.
See it, yeah?
Wow.
Well clean up. So we have to now get them out of the shell. Yeah, man. Good lobster meat.
These are the lobster after them come out of the shell. Bare flesh, you know, my peeps. And these are the lobster head. Everything I get crushed. Nothing I leave out. Nothing now and dash way. Stay tuned for the epic part. Onion, bell pepper, scallion, yardman pepper, with a little piece of onion and piece of ginger. And we have the garlic, stay tuned for that. We have the carrot and we also have the Irish potato. Stay tuned for all of that, my people. The sweet corn there also. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for all of that, my people. Stay tuned and watch it. Go and get the thing them dice up right and properly way. You see me? They're on the TikTok live same way, now, my people. Yeah, man, we're on the TikTok live same way, you see me? So stay tuned, see my people?
People don't see what's happening, what's popping. Thing all the seed. He's asleep, man. So the season for going away. Garlic. So I turn on the paper. Time to get the season up on now.
Yeah, man, that's better.
I mean,
That's better.
yeah, man. So the black pepper. The Look at easy spice fish season. The Maggi fish season.
Nevertheless, cannot live without Maggi. Peeps, to be honest with you, if I left out Maggi, I'll be honest here. You are leaving out something special. Remember me tell you, you heard? And guys, anyway, we homemade season that not gonna be like this porous, but we have a homemade season. We cannot tell you or we make it or something, but we got the homemade season or I gonna use. And stay tuned for the nice and properly
curry shrimp.
see the middle here, you know. You know what this? Pimento. Look how I go on. Oh my god. Man. Alright, my peeps. Rick I go and get the lobster head them. Prepare up. Like season up and all of that. So stay tuned for all of that, my lovely people. And so the season here that get clean up. Wow. The pepper, yardman pepper, the scallion, the onion, the thyme, the garlics, and the ginger. Wow, this is a nice combination. Smell the fragrance, and I'm gonna put the pimento seed in it as yet. And the fragrance alone, what I get, it is so amazing. Oh my god.
Man, check out that one. Sprinkle the curry on the lobster.
Look at the curry powder.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Not looking for burn. I get the frying pot on.
Wow.
Yes.
Look at that, no man. Look at that, no man.
You see the frying pot going, I know what time is it.
Look at that, no man.
Yeah, get down to business. Keep tuning. Remember to like, share, and subscribe all the time. You heard?
Penkus Spearfishing.
Yeah, man. One Penkus Spearfishing.
Never two. From we are arcade days to now, we still a do it. Yeah. In America, in a yard, we do it anywhere we do.
Yes. So we line up a piece of pepper. Put in our oil. Then we burn the curry.
Keep the fire burning.
Garlic.
A little bit of oil in my lamp. You may people making a nice pot. And so I go on the pot in the meanwhile. Yeah, man.
Get out the water out tight, guys. Move your one fast.
Yeah, man. Cola said 10. Hot and spicy.
Yeah, man. So people see it, yeah. Get the cooking oil now. Yeah. No, we don't need too much cooking oil. So look at tip. Burn the curry. Let's get the garlic and the pepper. So we are burn it in the oil. Get the curry. Always. Yeah, people.
Gonna keep You can see the garlic and the pepper affects color.
Yes. Still properly. God. You want to get the smell.
Just the fragrance alone enticing. Oh my goodness. So we're going to make the seasoning take a color, you know what I mean? Burn a little bit. Remember, you have to burn the curry. If not, it's going to hurt your belly. Remember to burn the curry the right and properly way before you start to get the piece together. Stay tuned to all of this, my lovely people. I want more than epic. I want is a bomb.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man, after them are going on my people, stay tuned. We have to wrap for them going. Everything will cook down in a one. Yeah, man, stay tuned to all of that, my people. Let's see, you know. Man and fish in the people. Wow.
Yun. See here, bad pimento seed. Word.
Smell good, you know the run and never over the pot. Yo, I'm going to add a powder, bro.
looking better.
Yeah, people.
Wow.
Jesus. Strong.
Lobster for days, months, years, and decades.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Lobster for months, years, and decades in. Wow.
So lovely.
Alright, my people, stay tuned for all of that, alright? Yeah, my peeps, so we can get the sweet corn and chew and I know. Wow. Oh my god.
It's all over.
Look at that.
Nothing on waste, nothing on dash right.
Oh my goodness.
Then say.
Wow. Wow. Oh my god.
Burn all the water can drink, people. Yeah, peeps, I already taste that.
You ready to come off now?
Yeah, man, let's take it
Alright,
off.
do the right thing. Alright, my people. Eat that in my people. Yeah, man. Eat this in my people. Yeah, man.
Meanwhile, you know, we have the roasters them. So what we are do? Drop one two roasters right away, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. So we can go drop on the roasters then meanwhile, quick and fast. So stay tuned, my peeps, while we can go and get the roasters then drop on. Wow, oh my god. The roast fish, them, this is my people. Yeah man, them a scale, we just put it inside of them and gas them up with some nice seasoning, properly seasoned up. Wow. You know, we gotta eat some before, you know, my people. Cause hungry I go on with himself. Yeah man.
Mash up mine already too.
Yeah, that's it, you know. Fully activated up, you know that? Yeah, man. See that one, yeah? I'm gonna move on the other one, you know, my guys. You see that? You move?
Yeah, peeps, so remember, I said I see a roast on Friday, you know, man. So get me, I get the breadfruit cut up and now.
Let it peel off, you know, peeps.
Peel up.
Jamaican roast breadfruit.
Man, well roast, man.
That one I name
So
roast
beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, I put a four line to start out the evening, you know?
See it there.
Yeah, tap up the screen like that. Yeah, alright, Peter Nigel said we hear that. Yeah, man. No, it's not true. Yeah, man, hear that. Pow, pow, pow.
People at the second breadfruit this I gonna get peel off, so let's stay tuned to all of that until we get them peel off right and properly way. So now go see everything. See me people? So I'm gonna stay tuned, alright? Yeah, me peeps. All of the breadfruit them this now. We can go and get them diced up the right and properly way. Hey, me peeps.
Nice.
Yellow heart breadfruit them here, you know? Yellow heart, you know?
Sweet.
Yellow heart breadfruit them here. You ever hear about yellow heart breadfruit before? Yellow heart breadfruit, you know want no meat kind. Just little piece of butter. I don't like margarine. Me go for the chiffon butter. Margarine too salt. Chiffon butter with yellow heart breadfruit. Wow, my God. You know say yellow heart breadfruit, my people. You know say you can eat it alone. Eat alone. You come back when you cook rice and peas, and you put your nice coconut. I thought coconut will come off a tree. I thought ready make coconut. I thought the coconut will come off a tree. Put that in a blender. Different from the coconut milk, you know. I want the original one that
People, so searing time.
night I come down, we're going to fry the breadfruit, my friend say. But night I come down, so we're not going to bother fry. Come and say roast and fry, or we're not going to bother do that. Stay tuned, we're going to go and do the sharing out. So as soon as Rick shared everything, we're going to make you people, let you see all of that. Alright, my people? Stay tuned, Zine. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, my people. Wow. That looks good, you know? Many people, I hate that. Check out. Many people, so as soon as Rick finish, I'm going to consume some food and all, you see me?
Okay,
Yeah, man, look at that one.
you know. Make it good. The food run up and down and I gravy, you know. Yeah. Going to fry the breadfruit them, but two of them breadfruit are the bad, so we're not gonna fry them. So I just eat them same way. Sweet. And taste the lobster paper. Okay.
Watch this people.
Good.
You know, my own. So right now, people, I give God thanks to everything Almighty. Without Almighty, we are nothing. Thank Father God.
Hear that? Anybody like and subscribe? Free delivery. I'm going to do that. Jesus Christ. Wow.
Can't complain. It's epic. Nice. Hot.
Fish, breadfruit, enjoy your meal. We have lobster. One of them, no man.
Come on, man. Take up one.
Boss, you must take up one.
Anyone I want to take up. Anyone. Not no special. No, it's a my one. Take up anyone I want to take up. Not no special.
Jesus. Just a bit tasty, bro. Don't joke. Remember good. Yes, sir.
Juicy.
Yes. No joke night.
And taste the pimento seed.
Remember good, no man. Yeah, man. Right there, sir. Roast breadfruit, then say. Curried lobster. Wow. Yeah, man. Touch right there, sir, man. No joke night. Yeah, man. Gravy, nice, so. Very nice out in there, man. Remember good. Right there, so. Right there, so. Right there, so. Right there, so. Watch out, okay, bud. Curried up, Penkus, watch out now. Curried the crowd. Wow. Watch out the pepper here, watch out. I request right there, so. I request right there, so. Pepper, yeah, nice. Wow. Wow, we're not no joke tonight. Yeah, when some taste good, it tastes good, you know. Remember good, watch it. A lobster we are talking about. Ah. See juicy, we are talking about, we not make nothing good. We not make nothing run with. Remember good, man.
Yeah, my people, now be honest here, I want more than an update. I want to slam like I mean Jordan.
Yeah, man, don't
Jack in
man.
the net. I want
Yeah,
them on a slam like a ball.
On my 3 pointer, man.
On my
Yeah,
wheel,
man.
man.
On the way out,
On the
man.
net, I will.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want a
man.
slam. Believe
Yeah,
it.
man. Boom.
Bad.
Yeah.
Give it a
Remember
grip in the
good.
league.
No, no hide.
I want to get
No
me.
hide. We take it, we get everything.
I swear. And
Yeah,
peeps,
wanna-
like I said something.
Lobster, man.
Well, I know. Peeps.
Yeah.
Respect to each and everyone. But bear with me. When the video
Sure.
just a start until
Yeah.
I go end. Thank
Yeah,
you
man.
guys for your turning out.
Very
Thank you
good.
for your lovely support.
Very good.
Remember my peeps, like,
Share.
share, and subscribe. Number one Penkus, man, arcade days.
Remember good.
One Penkus. Any other boy named Penkus are fake.
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 Hear that?
One single Penkus and arcade days.
Yes.
From over Bus Park to St. James.
Very good.
Any other Penkus, you know, are fake.